All right, we are in Pisgah National Forest. I'm here with a bunch of friends. We are going to hike Sam's Knob. I have no idea what to expect. Never been here before, but I'm looking forward to it because I love this area and it's been a long time since I've been here. So thank you especially to Coleman for leading us out here.
No worries, man. Glad to have you here.
Yeah.
It's going to be an awesome adventure today.
Awesome.
Remember, we got a second leg too.
Yeah, that's right. That'll be a different video.
Oh yeah.
So, Sam's Knob, right up ahead, just off the Blue Ridge Parkway. Beautiful views everywhere, incredible mountains. This is my home away from home, even though I haven't been here forever, but glad to be back. Oh man, look at this.
You're gonna feel like a Pathfinder all over again.
Oh, here we go.
So campers at the summer camp that we used to go to. Uh-oh.
Look at this.
Man.
So we're walking through an upland prairie right now. Beautiful wildflowers everywhere. And we are about to start climbing up Sam's Knob right now. So, yep, time to get the elevation in. Oh, really? This banter's all gonna make it into the video.
Excellent.
Not even a mile in.
Trailer park boys go to the mountains.
Yeah. Look at that slug. I have no idea what it is. Do you know what it is?
It is a slug.
It's a slug. That's the scientific term for it. Trail's getting a little muddy, but just par for the course. Mile in, getting a little closer to the top. It's starting to open up. Starting to get a very, very nice view of the surrounding area. Path is turning into a little bit of a stream now.
It's just trying to make me feel right at home. Running water is peaceful.
Coming up near the top now.
Oh, yeah, we're back to crest.
Wow. Incredible. Look at that view. So like I said at the beginning of the video, we are in Pisgah National Forest in North Carolina, but if you look over in that direction, you can actually look into Tennessee. It's incredible. And here are my friends. And there they go.
But it definitely looks like this guy's melted a time or two.
Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous. A lot of water. Yeah. Another gorgeous overlook. Hate down hiking. I'm all about going uphill. Hate is a strong word.
Right.
I just prefer going uphill. Time to head back down.
Carly made this run downhill during a rainstorm one time.
Oh God. It would suck if I fell while recording, but it would be great film.
If you found it.
Yeah, if I found it.
You found it, right? Man, that is a big old dandelion. I was about to say, those dandelions are enormous.
All right, that's the end of the hike. It was 3.17 miles. Great time, great views, great people. Definitely suggest it if you're ever in Pisgah, for sure.
Come to Pisgah.